Hey, 110. You've almost made it through week 2 of remote instruction. Today's lecture is going to be on recursion with lists, which we started looking at on Tuesday. And we're going to dig deeper into what are generic types and get to the bottom of where you might use them and why they're so valuable. Before we do that, a couple of quick announcements. On the horizon, we've got a worksheet that's out, and that was put online yesterday. It's going to be due on Friday, April 10th, so next Friday at 11:59 p.m. The next review session, which is going to cover recursion and talk about some of the things we've been talking about this week and next week, will be next Thursday, April 7th at 4 p.m. We'll post an announcement about that. It will be Zoom-based, just like the last one. Got really good reviews, and over 90 people went to the last review session. The next problem set is also posted, linked list utils. So this is a problem set that helps you think through recursive functions and how to process lists with them. After today's lecture, I think you should be able to do every function in this problem set, but it's good to start early on this. I think trying to give yourself some time to think through each of these recursive functions is going to make it much less stressful come due date time, because these are the types of functions that none of them are that complex once you get them implemented, but it will take jumping through some mental hurdles to feel comfortable thinking in this different way, right? In this recursive way. There will be another review session on Monday, April the 13th at 4 p.m. And that will be leading into the final quiz of the semester, which will be on Thursday, April 16th. Right? So this is what we've got looking forward. And there will be one more problem set after linked list utils, and then we'll be up to the final exam. Right? So there's not a whole lot of time left in the semester. Before we get into today's materials, I'm going to encourage you to go ahead and move through some warm-up questions that are all focused on concepts from the last lecture. We would have done these at the very beginning of class and Pull Everywhere as our warm-ups. But go ahead and do these on Gradescope, and I think that'll help get some of the concepts that we talked about first on Tuesday back to the forefront of your mind so we're ready to go for today's material.